the number one extension that we've put out there and which we think will be useful for you guys as Joomla Shack users is Simple Renew. So, Bill, if someone wants to get up and running with a subscription business in Joomla and they choose Simple Renew here, what's the information that they need to get up and running with?
Well, they have to get a Stripe account. I've been testing on a test sandbox Stripe account, and then install Simple Renew. And as you can see on the screen, just enter the two keys that you can get from your Stripe dashboard and start creating some plans, and you're ready to go.
Okay, and the way that we've focused with Simple Renew is to use the Joomla core as much as possible, right? That it's all based around adding or removing people from Joomla user groups.
Right. Basically, all Simple Renew does is add or remove people from a particular user group based on their subscription status.
So in this particular case, we've set up a subscription where people can be automatically added to an author group if they join this subscription plan, and it's going to cost them $99 for the year. And we've chosen that approach, I think, because we've tried other subscription extensions which try and manage the access with their own access levels. And to be honest, Joomla's access levels can be complex enough by themselves without adding extra layers of complexity. And so Simple Renew is aimed to be as simple and straightforward as possible, sticking to the Joomla core. Bill, are there any features of Simple Renew that we can't see here? There are some things that you can do, such as create coupons.
Right. Coupons need to be created at the gateway right now. Although that's one of the things that I'm looking at adding to the Simple Renew interface, where we can manage coupons from here. Right now, all you can really do is manage plans from here.
Okay, so it's really not very complicated in terms of the interface. You've been working on the technical side of it for several months now, but it is designed to be a simple and reliable subscription gateway. And I think one of the things we'll be talking about at Joomla Shack over the next few months is helping people build up a reliable subscription-based portion of their business, trying to move as many of their customers as possible to recurring income.
Yeah, and I believe our approach with Simple Renew, I remember when I first came on, Steve, you were constantly preaching the gospel of simplicity, and I'm a big fan. The less the user has to worry about, or an administrator has to worry about, the easier it is for them to get the job done. And I think using the Joomla ACL was part of that decision. We don't have to reproduce a whole access system when we can just use what's already there.
Cool, that's the goal, to make it as simple as possible.